What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes, Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker, and we will be covering Tesla stock. We'll be going over Tesla stock in the overall stock market, important updates, getting different analysts saying different prices, and it's starting to people say it this way and people say it that way. We have what to expect for Q3 earnings coming up and some economic data that we need to be watching out for this week. So stay tuned. And Tesla closed at $248.91. This information I'm giving is 1 day old, but nonetheless, it's still helpful information. Tesla closed yesterday. Well, we say today, Tesla closed. It was up 3% and then it went down 2% in the after hours. It's at 249, but it did go from 245 and it went up to 255 or 254, dropped down to 242 or 243, and rested at 249. And so, kind of like I planned, I didn't think it was going to get to 250, and I'm kind of bummed. I don't know, tomorrow, we don't know. Maybe there's a launch, maybe something might happen, maybe something won't, I don't know. But the overall market is doing well. The overall stock market's doing well. It's up 3.2%. And so we may see the overall stock market go up and Tesla stock go down, and vice versa. Tesla stock going up and the overall market going down. And it's starting to show its own individuality. So because we have got a lot of individual news and catalysts regarding deliveries, according to Rutgers, Tesla's logistical challenges overshadow record deliveries. So there's lots of revision from all different analysts coming up with all different numbers, which is what we expected, or I did. And for example, JP Morgan changed our price point from 153 to 137. And Street Insider Tesla point raised to 348 at Truist Securities. AI Day overwhelming Q3 deliveries shortfall. So getting price targets increasing is great, but the likelihood of it isn't. Analysts expected about 360,000 vehicles in Q3, and they got 364,000. I think they were expecting 365,000, so they were shy, or they got 360,000. They produced 364,022 cars, but their goal was 365, like 365 days in a year. Other outside issues that can affect Tesla stock that we may see is the demand for high-end luxury vehicles like the Model S and X dropping off, since we're starting to get a lot more competition coming in from other distributors of electric vehicles. So this could have an impact on Tesla stock in the near future. In the near future, not far, near future. I said that. Okay, so those issues might be a big concern for long-term investors. So we know all the big companies are transitioning into electric vehicles, and Tesla will be delivering miles more vehicles per quarter than any other EV with the amount of volume they're giving. And so I'm not going to go into these numbers, but in 2019, in Q1, they had 77,138 cars produced. In 2022, in Q3, they had 365,923 cars produced. So that's a good increase in 2 years. So in 2020, by the end of this year, we are expecting 907,000 vehicles. Wall Street's expecting 400,000 vehicles expected in Q4, so we haven't totaled up everything, but expect to we expected to see a rise because we have a new Austin and Giga Berlin. So economic data, job openings. If we're smelling a stronger economy, we may see bigger numbers for job openings opening up. That's something that's coming out tomorrow. And we have unemployment coming out. Unemployment rate coming out on Friday, and are these so we ask ourselves, are these at least making some forward movements towards helping our economy, or are we just getting more out of whack? So Q3 earnings is on October 19th, so I put that in your phone or on your calendar, save the date. We could see a drop and then an up, or up and then a drop, I don't know. So it is slowing it down. Other big companies these are the factors that come in. Other big brand companies are coming in, and they may start to take over parts of Tesla, and that could scare Tesla. And most important thing is what comes out in Q3. So, right now we're heading back to the range of, I'll show you right here on our 1-year chart. This range right here is where the Shanghai COVID thing happens, and a lot of bad stuff and good stuff. So there's a support in this 200 area. So we were up at 249 or 250. I don't know if we're going to get back to touching 249. We might be going down a little bit lower than that before we go up or down. I don't know. So if you found this video helpful, push the like button. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching Tuck Notes. All right, bye.